Alright guys, so these are the ingredients we're going to be using. Here we have some queso fresco, 1 white onion, 5 Roma tomatoes, 1 jalapeno. It is optional. And if you want more heat, you can use a serrano pepper. 1 large garlic clove or 2 small garlic cloves. And some corn tortillas. You can use white or you can use yellow. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first step you're going to want to do is grab a pot, something just like this. You want to go ahead and add your tomatoes, your jalapeno, and your garlic clove. So once you've added the vegetables into your pot, you want to go ahead and cover it with water. And go ahead and place a lid on it. And just turn on the heat. And we're going to go ahead and cook them until they get nice and soft. So while that is off to the side, the pot with the vegetables, I went ahead and cut up half of my onion. We're going to go ahead and peel that. You're only going to need about a 1/4 cup of it. Now, unless you really like onion, you can use as much onion as you like. So I'm just going to go ahead and dice them up really nice. So this is about probably a cup of white onion. I won't use all of this. It's actually a choice. It's an option. I actually cut it up because my husband likes onions in this dish. And I'll show you how I incorporate the onion. So let's put this to the side. And now we're going to go ahead and grab a bowl and our cheese. So we're going to go ahead and crumble this up. Now in your local supermarket, they do sell it already crumbled up, but I feel like you pay extra for that. So I just go ahead and just do it like this. And the amount of cheese that you need is all going to depend on you. So it should look something like this, nice and crumbled. Alright, so my vegetables are nice and soft. And you can kind of tell how they start to fall apart. The tomatoes, the jalapeno, it's fork tender. So this is going to work. Okay, so this took probably about 20-25 minutes. There's not like a really exact time like where it's going to actually soften. So you just kind of want to keep an eye on it. Just like I showed you, you know, what to look out for. So now you want to grab a blender. So you're going to put it on the blender. Do not add the liquid for the tomatoes. I already have enough liquid in it. And just go ahead and pulse that. So now what you want to do is go ahead and grab a skillet just like this. Just go ahead and turn it on. So now you want to go ahead and add some vegetable oil, probably about a tablespoon. Once your oil heats up, you want to go ahead and add some onion. Like I was mentioning before, this is an option. You don't need to add the onion if you don't like it, because you will see it and taste it in the sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of it. You just want to get a little brown. Once you get it a little brown, a little toasted, you want to go ahead and add your sauce to this. Ooh, I'm going to turn it down because it'll start popping everywhere. There's still a little bit of chunks in there, which is totally fine. Don't panic. It's okay. It's homemade cooking. You see a little part of the jalapeno in there. Take that out. It's actually the stem. To this, you want to go ahead and add a little bit of salt. And now we're going to simmer it. You want to put it down to very low. It's already looking really good. Let's go ahead and taste it. I like to taste my food. Ooh. It's good. It has a kick to it because of the jalapeno. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Make sure it doesn't pop and get all crazy. So in the meantime, on the other side, I'm going to go ahead and work on my tortillas. I'm going to grab a pan, whichever size pan you have. It's going to work. And then to this, I'm going to add some vegetable oil. There's no precise amount of vegetable oil, because what we're going to do is we are going to toast up our tortillas. So at the same time, kind of keep an eye on your sauce to the side. So my oil is nice and hot. So let's go ahead and just give these a little bath. So you want to go ahead and grab a plate just like this, somewhere to put them on. These are perfect. Just take these off. So I'm going to go ahead and keep working on my tortillas. So my sauce has been reducing. This is how it should look. It's so good too. So I'm going to show you really quick how to put it together, and then I'm going to show you how it looks nice and pretty. So you want to go ahead and grab a plate, and you're going to get your tortilla and you're going to submerge it in there. Try not to break it. I am bad at breaking the tortillas. Okay, so this is how it looks once I've put them into the sauce. Now you have your cheese, and this is where I meant however much cheese you add, it's going to be all up to you. You can add as much as you want. The part where I can add onion, you can mix the onion with the cheese if you like, but I'm just going to add a little bit because my husband likes the cheese like this. I mean the onion, I don't. And now we're going to go ahead and cover them up. Now I grew up eating these in my childhood, and my goodness, I can eat. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting it together, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks at the end. Alright guys, so here it is. Here it is all put together. I went ahead and added more sauce to the top, and I garnished it with more cheese. And this is a dish that you must and have to eat it with avocado. At least that's how I grew up eating it, and it just tastes really great. So this is my Entomatadas de Queso. I hope you guys give it a try. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. And don't forget to give it a like, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.